Scarlett here. Today I'm at home working in my garage, and I will be working on my car today, and my little doggies will be here. There'll be some TV in the background, and today I am going to be doing a few things to my car. Let me turn it around. My hair's all messed up. I got it out of work. Tired, pregnant, exhausted, but I still got to get this car done. My car has been smoking for a little bit. It looks like it's coming from the coolant reservoir, and there's also a belt noise, so I will be changing my belt also. And then on top of that, I have a misfire going on, so I will be changing my spark plugs and a coil. So then hopefully, so far, this car will stop bothering me for a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to try and show you some, well, I don't know if I'll do some step by step, but maybe some here and there peaks of what I'm doing. So yep, that's what I'll be doing. Alright, so I got my coolant reservoir, I got my coil, my spark plugs, my belt. Right now I am draining my coolant, and it looks like I'm leaking from underneath there somewhere, so I'll take a look at that once I get this coolant reservoir out under here somewhere. But it also looks like it's leaking from around here. And then my belt is making noise like I mentioned before. Man, this car needs a lot of work. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this clamp off and then unclamp these other hoses, follow them to wherever they go. But it looks like this one's attached to the reservoir itself, and this one, where does it go? This one goes to the radiator. So I guess I'll disconnect it from here first. So I'm going to be holding my phone, so bear with me. I'm going to grab these pliers and try and get this hose off of here. Unhook it from all these. Let's bring this up now. Slide, sorry. I'm like trying to do this at the same time. I need to get on my step stool. I'm short. Alright. Where am I? What did I do with it? I just lost it. Alright. So I'm looking at the phone and trying to do this at the same time. Okay, got that hose off. And then looks like we also got two 10mm nuts, one on each side, that's holding it together. I'm gonna be clamping this down just in case there's some fluid in it, so I don't make too much of a mess on my floor. Alrighty, so I got these clamps right here. I will be putting this on the hose a little just below, just in case there's coolant in there and I don't want to make too much of a mess. Just tighten that down. I'll show you in a second. Okay. Alright. So right there I gripped it, clamped it down. Next I'm going to be taking this clamp off and then taking this hose down. And I'll be putting a new clamp on there. Alright, so let me put that there. Hopefully you guys can see. I think it's gonna fall. Alright, that should be good enough. Alright, now I gotta find my pliers. Yeah. This thing over here. Alright, hold on a second. I'm gonna have to unbolt this over here to get it out of the way. There's some hose. There's a line over here that's in my way. It won't let me really get this hose out of the way. So before I go and take that off, I am going to eat real quick because I just got, well, like I said earlier, I got out of work and I am super hungry. And yeah, my Chinese food just got here. So I'll get back in just a few minutes. as I was talking about before, I'm just going to move this out of the way so I have enough room to get this hose out, because right here, this part over here is in the way. So I'm just going to grab a 10mm socket and an extension. And like I said before, bear with me because I am using my hand and I am working at the same time.
I chose to go west to become an Avenger.
Okay, hopefully I don't drop these nuts. These nuts.
Tell me where the reservoir is.
Alright.
I have no idea.
Okay. Slightly move it out of the way.
You and Dreykov were like,
Dreykov.
yeah.
General Dreykov. My friend.
Alright. Let's continue with this hose over here.
Soviet Union's first and only super soldier. I could have been more famous.
Voila! I got it off.
There is me in Ohio and that stupid Asian.
Alright. So now I'm gonna use that same 10mm socket and extension, and I'm gonna get that nut and that nut over there.
Why don't you put me in prison? I just maybe I want to talk about the withering of the steak, or maybe I don't like his hair or something, and I maybe, you know, I want the part.
Not too far, because I don't want to drop these nuts.
Put me in prison for the rest of my life. He just runs off and hides.
Hold on 1 second. Adjust this light over here so you guys can see better. I'm going to take this off. Let me get it out some more.
Wait till we get to a higher altitude. Wait, Mom Elena? We thought she was dead.
You cannot kill it, folks. That's
Okay. This is one. Hopefully it'll mix these nuts.
I was the muscle. She worked directly for Dreykov far more than I ever
Wait,
did.
you telling me that Nina is working for the Reservoir present day?
She worked for a month outside St. Petersburg.
I don't think we have enough filters to make this work.
No, we're good. We're like,
Okay. Alright. So now I should be able to pull this. I'm making a mess. I should be able to pull this reservoir out of the way. And then I can install a new one. Ooh!
should have brought the Avengers Superjet.
Alright. 1 second, let me adjust the camera view. Alright. We got this out of the way. Oh no, I'm making a mess. I'm gonna examine this thing real quick. Man, oh man, I'm making a mess.
You haven't seen either one of us in 20 years, and you're going to ask me about me?
Did I do something wrong?
Is that a serious question?
I only ever loved you, bro.
Alrighty.
I did my best.
I'll just install everything. So now just install everything in reverse order. This is out of the way. I should probably get to the coils and the sparkplug. Okay. Okay, so my engine light is showing that this one's my problem, my number 4 on the right side. So that's the coil I'll be changing, and I'll be changing all the other spark plugs. Alright, where's my 10? And then
Yeah, that's our family construct was just calculated rules that only lasted 3 years. I don't think that we can use this term anymore, can we?
Purge? So here's what's gonna happen.
What's that?
Alrighty. Now I'm gonna take the spark plugs out. I'm using a 3/8 extension and a 3/8 ratchet. Hopefully I don't need no more extensions, but I got an extra one. Maybe I do. 2 extensions. And my spark plug socket is 5/8. And I have a magnet too because they're a little gummy inside fucking.
Dissected and deconstructed the human brain to make the first and only cellular booster of the baby family. The hospital followed the method and proceed from
Jeez.
I'm explaining the science of how to examine the subject and instructed to stop bleeding and hopeless to obey. Okay, we need to put that in far. 11 more seconds without oxygen. We go back home safe. We go back home safe. The world functions on the higher level than this level. No, that's what were you? If I was his architect, you were his partner. You're his business
Okay. Alright. No, let me get this magnet. And I'm gonna pull these babies out. Look at that. Uh-oh. Full of aisle.
Don't say that. It was real. It was real to me. You were my mother. You were my sister. The closest thing they ever had. The best part of my life was fake. And none of you told me.
Okay, so
When those agents you chemically subjugated around the globe,
I'm gonna try and get that focused. Alright, now I'm gonna put the new plugs in, spark plugs, and I got NGKs. That's what I will be putting on. So I will proceed to my plugs. Okay. Alrighty. Do we have anti-seize? Where is it? Hold on. Put putting some anti-seize on these plugs. Okay. So I'm putting this on just so for the next time I can take them off a little bit easier and they're not like frozen in there. Gosh, I need some more light in this bee.
Oh, I lose balance.
I need some lights over here.
My father, heat of toilet on my hands. Urine is 35 degrees Celsius.
Just gonna put it around the threads. There's a car on there. Should say on here somewhere.
You have done nothing but tell me how bored
Okay.
you were. I was the chore, the job you didn't want to do. We have everything.
Alright, so found out I wasn't recording, but I already put my plugs in on this side. I just gotta tighten this one. What a girl mess. Alright, got all my plugs in. Put my coils in now. Put some anti-seize on these. Take this manifold off or something. Legit. Anti-seize everything. One. And then I got my new coil. It's going on number 4.
Don't go breaking my motor. Look at shit. I can't save us. But us being very brave. Probably the bravest, but that was power.
One second. Eesh. Here. Okay. Alright, got my coils in. My spark plugs in. Alright. Get you a closer look. Got a nice shiny new coil on there. Got some coolant from the drippage. Try and clean that up a little bit, but alright. Now I can put my reservoir back on. Alright, now I'm putting this that hose that over there. Some people like these. I hate them with a passion. So I'm gonna replace it with one of these, and then when I have a chance I'll be changing that hose out, but for now I'm just putting a new clamp on. Gonna be using, and oh my gosh, this focus is unreal, an 8mm socket to tighten down that clamp. So let's continue. Let's see if I can get this in a little closer so you guys can see. I'm gonna be tightening that little clamp right there. Okay. Long extension and an 8mm long socket. That's on there. Now, get you back out. I'm gonna route this hose back into the radiator area right here. So let's route that. Everywhere.
Job lot. Job lot lights.
Oh yeah.
Job lot.
So, this was the big plan, huh? The big man to the
These
When was the last time that you had
hold down
conversations
that
with somebody that was
hose
supposed to talk
and they go right above the coils. So I have to get it removed anyway, so I'm just gonna leave it out, but I'm gonna route it for now. But I'm not gonna plug it in.
No one's noticed, then why are you doing it? Nothing.
Stop it! Don't tell me to stop!
Anytime you need to stop the hell, you know when to shut up.
Get that air hose.
Your hands look extra long.
I got a lot of leaves around here, so I'm gonna blow these leaves out of the way. Oh shit. Huh? I mean, whatever.
What is that? You brought that home.
What?
You brought that home?
What?
That.
The coolant?
Yes.
Yes.
You brought that home.
Yes. I didn't know what you were pointing at.
No, this is not what you came out of.
Yeah, no.
My widows can start and force and with you, things under my control. I can finally come out of the shadow, using the only natural resources that I have too much of.
Lost it.
This is basic science. Natasha can block receptors and factor receptors.
You got one to replace that?
I replaced it.
Oh,
I said that one's
I thought you just pulled that out. I'm like, what the fuck is covered in oil too?
change of plan. I completely demolished one of the engines and we are going into a controlled crash.
I'm heading to the windows now.
That's a talking now, right? My childhood. You took my choices and tried to break me. But you're never gonna do that to anybody ever again.
Nobody leaves this room until she's dead.
Okay, got this side off. Wasted. Wasted. Alright, it's time to put them in.
Okay? It looks like it hurts. You take out the three, ready? I'm sorry.
With the hand.
Get as far away from here as possible. You get to make your own choice now. You find the record. You're coming? I'm right behind you.
In. being pregnant, working with a stomach, trying to lean over, really sucks. And the breathing part, like, it's like almost like a punch, but not really. But it's like out of breath, so it makes it harder too. Hey.
I'm gonna open the door. You're gonna come after me. It's okay. It's okay. I know you're standing there. And I'm not gonna leave you.
Alright, almost there. put the coolant reservoir in. Now I'm going to use a tool to try and suck out the air out of the system. It's called an airlift. I'm pretty sure I made a video on it on my channel. So if you guys want to know how to use that, you can look back at one of my videos, but you guys can watch me for now. Okay, get my air hose.
So what's our plan?
Just gloves.
Right.
Hold them off.
Look,
Yes, go. Oh.
I'm weak.
They can work out with 4 of us. Maybe someone for the members.
Okay, well, if you're leaving, then I guess we should take this. I know how much you like it. They've had a lot of complicated handy pockets.
Maybe there's a big lot of work.
We need to pop the phone, but you should be on the phone, so.
They came back for us.
Need to be on the side.
Hey, you take care of yourself, okay? Don't worry, I got this. I know. Don't worry. We're bringing her with us. Come. Come with us.
Bitch. Oh, this is uncomfortable as fuck. the coolant reservoir done, and the spark plugs and the coils done. Now I'm letting it run. Make sure we got some heat. Blast that heat. Oh, it's not even on. I thought I had it on. Blast that heat, if you could hear that. Heat. I cleared all the codes. I'm gonna have to take it for a test drive and then make sure. But the car doesn't feel like it's shaking anymore, so I mean, it seems like the misfire is gone, but definitely want to take it on the test drive. But that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.